Okay, everyone, welcome to part B of this thing, where we were making more leotards for men. Oh, isn't it unitard? Bodysuits.
I don't know.
Manitard. That's what it is. Now I'm going to do exactly what I said I didn't want to do in the last video, and that's putting a collar, a high turtleneck collar, on this body. So if your neck don't fit, blame the creator for not putting a damn head on this body. Anywho, here we go. First we're going to start at the very top of the neck. It's a little bit better to go over the neck than under the neck because you can always reduce it, make it go down rather than having to pull it up. So I like to go just a teeny bit over the neck. Then we drag the line down just below the crotch. Then make a backwards L over to the leg. Then pull it up high on your hip. Then to your waist. Over under the armpit. Above the shoulder. Diagonally up the clavicles. Up a little bit to the neck. And then go kiss in the middle. And that's what the little song to remember how to make a bodysuit. Now unfold. Remove the crotch button in the middle. And then copy and paste. Then we're going to sync that up. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I've been getting down with this guy as of late. The old ones before they got stupid. That's why I said Okay, so when we have our bodysuit in the back, it is very important that you pull the back down a little bit longer than the crotch in the front because the back has to compensate for booty. So if you have it like this and this is not going to line up properly, it's going to get right between the mountains, if you understand my drift here. So I like to just pull it down a little bit longer to compensate for those two. We could make a gusset if we wanted to for the crotch, but for me I feel like that's just more work. So I tend to skip the gussets and go on to just sewing front and back side. Improper, yes, but time is money. Although it is good to put the proper steps in there so you can make more money, but look, I got another couple videos to do. This one doesn't not feel like going into the complexities of gussets. Now I bet you're wondering, like, what are gussets, Zero? What even are the gussets? It's like the little bridge that connects the front and the back together. But I'm just sewing those together like that, and then there you go. Instant gusset does it itself. Why did that work better on the men than it did on the ladies? I'm starting to feel a change afoot. Man clothes. Okay, so we can't leave it like this because then it looks like those old bodysuits we used to have back in the day. So just like we did with the drawers, we're going to take the edges of the crotch area and use the curve tool and just pull it in like a dish. Maybe not like that. Maybe a little. Maybe, I'm not sure. I never seen a man in a bodysuit for real before. I don't wanna. I also find that pulling this up here. Yeah, that's about what the bodysuit, at least the sailor Senshi bodysuit is like. Well, all for gender equality, I say. Alright, so we have men in the suit. Let's tailor that neck. You know, he's gonna love this. We only got one Jake model. The thing, I abused that man. because of the Bostanovich family is that we're all retarded. Alright, here we go. Man, bodysuit, and just like we had with the other one, so he doesn't get left out, let's give him a little bit of a dip here. There we go. Now it's gotta be up. It's turtleneck. Power Girl, right? She wears a turtleneck and a, what you call it, bodysuit. Oh, she got a boob window. Sorry, y'all. Almost gypped y'all of your birthright. Wow. There you go. Right in the middle. I want to say, there you go, Power Man, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a Power Man somewhere that looks absolutely nothing like that.
Yeah, he does. Luke Cage, he's Power Man.
Oh.
That's his superhero name.
Get out, really? Man, you learn something new every day. Now we do the same thing with the cape.
We double check that without spreading false information.
Please do. YouTube is very strict about the spreading of false information. Now I'm making a man. Let me look up Power Woman. What's a Power Girl? Alright, let's see.
Is Power Man Luke Cage the same person? What does it say? Luke Cage also
He got a
was
belt
Power Man.
and boots.
Yeah. Apparently he was Power Man at one point. Then who the hell is this other guy? Victor Alvarez.
Wait. Okay, it's DC. I'm like, hold up, shit. Am I doing any, Marvel? Because I know Disney don't play with that ish. You can't even pretend to make fan art of that.
Okay, I'm not wrong. Power Man was the first Luke. Luke Cage was the first Power Man.
Ah.
And that's a new guy who's Power Man now.
I'm the Power Man. Thank you very much. And then, you know what? Forget it. We'll flip it in Blender. I don't have time for this. Alright, and, oh, yeah, I can't do Power Girl all the way because she's got, gloves. And as I just said earlier, no gloves. But we can do a one-sided cape. Oh, but she has a two-sided cape. Or is that just fan art? I'm seeing a lot of one-shoulder cape in here, and it's not even that long. So we can do the same thing.
I don't know much about Power Girl, except she's got boobs. She's got bigger boobs than regular Super Lady for some reason.
Oh.
And that's because she's all empowered and such.
Well, breasts are powering.
No, I looked it up. It's like because she's confident in who she is, she can have her boobs out, and they're bigger also for no reason. Something
when
like
they
that.
have a comparison here. Huh. It could be support. A good bra will pump your boobies up.
They're the same person from different universes or something like that.
I seen that episode of Justice League. I know who she is.
Boobs.
Alright.
I don't know.
Alright. So, single...
Look at that.
What?
Two Live Crew.
Oh, yeah, I was using them for an example when I was telling them that as dirty as Two Live Crew was, they're nowhere near as filthy as Nicki Minaj.
At least they have to keep their clothes on while they were singing it down.
Damn right.
Even if we weren't allowed to listen to that back then. Now everybody listening. So.
I know, right? I just turned 30, and I was like, oh, Dave, that's Luke. Turn it off. I don't want to get beat.
Can't listen to that.
And I was like, wait a minute. I am an adult.
Still can't listen to that. It's too dirty.
I feel bad. Listen, I gotta wait till my mom leaves and go to work. And I'm like, you better go to work. I can listen to this. Doodle brand. Doodle brand. Well, that's how it is. I'm like, listen, this is my house. And you know, it gets me because I wish I can describe the look my mom gives me when she heard me listening to it. It was like a Pearl when she had that look like, I'll have to, I really, like, what you listening to? Nothing.
I was trying to figure out what to put on this armor.
Alright, so that's how I do my over the shoulder capes. I can't see all of it. It's like way too white. Huh?
Every time you hear that, remember what you called it?
Over the shoulder boulder holder?
I never heard that before in my life.
Really?
Yeah, before you started saying it.
Yeah. It's I can't find my over the shoulder boulder holder. What? My bra, baby. Bra. You know, like Futurama. Bra. I only hope that when I grow up and I'll be like mom to my kids.
You slapping your kids.
Line it up.
Whatever she said.
I feel like there should be a belt here. How did I end up making this?
I don't know. You were making a leotard, and then that just happened. I don't know.
Alright.
You mentioned Power Girl or whatever, and I said she got a boob window, and you were right. And then that's how it went.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
That's all I remember.
God, how these videos go. We've been on the stream too long. It's just gotten dumber and dumber ever since.
If I do this, and then I do that, maybe.
Of course, they said that I sound like every other old person, if not of this generation, by saying that Too Loud Crew isn't as bad as Nicki Minaj. I'm like, look, even if we couldn't listen to the filth that was Too Loud Crew, they still had instrumentals on the track. So the instrumentals were just as good as the song. So you could bump out to the song with headphones on and not be getting any looks. Can you honestly say that you can listen to an instrumental from Nicki Minaj and it's not stupid? Besides the Sir Mix-a-Lot one.
Yeah, that's the only one.
And yeah, they don't have any original beats or any really good mixes that makes it theirs. It's always like, I know you could say, okay, well, people in the old school invented sampling, but there's sampling and then there's the whole damn song on one other pitch. I don't know. I know everybody did it, but they did it with style where you were like, how dare these old people steal their music? Like her new song, you know, there's some holes in this house. Like, okay, well, that's the other, you turn it off, that's the other dude's song. Alright, I think that's Power Girl. Alright, I'm sorry. No gloves, remember. No gloves, no heads. And now I gotta fix this leotard thingy. I don't know. I could talk about and bash today's music all I want. How nobody talks in complete sentences. Every single word's got a period. Yeah. Okay, so there it is. That's male power girl, power boy. Is there a power boy before I say that that's what this is?
If there is, I don't know. I'm gonna look it up real quick.
Hang on, we'll look.
Is there a Power Boy?
That seems lame. I hope not.
Power Boy DC. And it is Power Boy.
Oh, well, there.
Yeah,
Okay,
Power Boy.
fine. It's a gender swapped power girl. There you go.
He's got a boob window.
What?
There you go.
By George, it is. He does have a boob window.
Ridiculous.
Alright, let me get out of here before I F this up even more. Okay, so there we go. I know, right? Yo, he does. And so edgy. Power boy. Mm.
What the heck is this?
Some bootleg Nightwing.
Oh boy.
Alright, boys and girls, that's it for this. We're going to go over and show you how to rig this junk.